And there wasn't enough to feed the critters, so they've come back for more. This beautiful deer sharky. And second time around, he's not biting so hard, so we've both settled down a little bit. Thank you very much, Sharky. I implore your patience. I do. You're a beautiful boy. And the clean-up crew down there. We're going to leave some for Mum and Dad? I hope so. So it's important to look after Mum and Dad as well. They're kind spirits, they are. Got a bit of the moon out tonight. There's ibis in the park across the road. I don't know if you can see them from here. But beautiful to see. So I hope everyone has a chance to rest well tonight and look after each other. Okay. See you, mate. Mum and Dad. And the moon. And yeah, all the ibis in the park. And beautiful. Have a good one. Love ya.